Problems of Construction of Smart Innovative Enterprises by Mykola Odrekhivskyy, Liubomyr Vankovych, and Orysya Pshyk-Kovalska. The purpose of the scientific work is to study problems of smart management and design of integrated intelligent information management system of smart innovative enterprises. The approaches to formation of the smart management processes are studied. This approach's investigation additionally proves the importance for modern business conditions to design the management models that provide economic efficiency of enterprises. The interpretation of the concept of digital factory, smart factory, and virtual factory has been further developed. The implementation of general and special methods is caused by the goal of logic of problems solving for smart management and design the system of smart innovative enterprises that are based on the using of Industry 4.0 concept. Smart enterprise today is smart management, IT data platforms as real management knowledge, sources of business processes combined. Modern methods of production and organization of technological processes equipped with sensors, computational methods, new materials, data analytics, artificial intelligence, organizational management, and communication technologies form smart manufacturing. That is, smart manufacturing combines computing platforms, communication technologies, modeling, intelligent engineering, etc. It uses the concepts of cyber-physical system, the industrial Internet of Things, cloud and service-oriented computing, artificial intelligence, and data science. Since today, smart enterprises are divided into smart manufacturing, digital, and virtual enterprises. In the work based on the concept of smart manufacturing, digital, and virtual enterprises, it is proposed to develop projects to build smart innovative processes. The theory of Markovian stochastic processes using the Chapman-Kolmogorov equation system, based on the dynamic and static mathematical models solved by computer technology, used to support decision making on the condition of development of smart innovative enterprises and any elements of their hierarchy, and on the choice of managerial influences on these states. Today, attempts are being made to divide the factories of the future into three main types: digital, smart, and virtual. The main task of the digital factory is the development of models production using digital design and modeling. Smart factories are aimed at mass production, but while maintaining maximum flexibility of production. This is ensured by a high level of automation and robotics of the enterprise. Automated control systems for technological and production processes are widely used. Virtual factory is an integrated structure for a design and analysis of production systems, which is a network of digital and smart factories, which also include suppliers of materials, components, and services. Smart innovative enterprises, therefore, is a management approach focused on the use of new technologies for the development of innovative enterprises. Figure 1 presents the organizational structure of a smart innovative enterprises. It is important to note that the structure of the smart innovative enterprises is proposed to be based on the structure of the innovative process, which would be managed at all stages of its organization by an integrated intelligent information management system of smart innovative enterprises. Figure 2 presents the spiral model of development of innovative enterprises. According to the given structure, the components of the innovation process in order to complete innovative cycle start and ensuring the spiral development of innovative enterprise, where I1, I2, etc. it is idea 1, idea 2, idea E. Figure 3 presents the structure of intelligent information management system of smart innovative enterprises. The task of the digital factory can be performed by Intelligent Research Information System, IRIS, Computer-Aided Design System, ICAD, based on the following system and technologies: product data management, product lifecycle management, computer-aided design system in different kinds. Integrated intelligent information product management system are able to perform the task of smart factories, which can use the following basic system and technologies: intelligent information system of technological preparation of production, manufacturing requirement planning, advanced planning and scheduling, manufacturing execute system, supervisory control and data acquisition, computer numerical control, industrial Internet of Things. The task of the virtual factory can be implemented by intelligent information resource management system based on the following system and technologies: automated enterprise management system, enterprise resource planning and enterprise resource planning 2, including supply chain management and customer relationship. Study of the dynamics of development of joint stock company Concern Electron on the index of the volume of sold innovative goods and services work conducted by calculating with the help of computer technology system of the Chapman-Kolmogorov differential equations. Figure 4 presents characteristics and probabilities of sustainable development statuses of joint stock company Concern Electron. When analyzes the obtained dynamic and static characteristics of the probabilities of the enterprises of joint stock company Concern Electron on the index of sold innovative goods and services, we can conclude that the most likely for Concern Electron is an increase in sold innovative goods and services, since the dynamics of characteristics revealed that the probability on the first status, in which the index of sold innovative goods and services is greater than the average value, becomes the largest and research a static value of 0.444. A smart innovative enterprises is a management approach focused on the use of new technologies for the development of innovative enterprises. As individual entrepreneur today needs new creative ideas and solutions that would meet the requirements of a changing world. The structure of the smart innovative enterprises is proposed to be based on the structure of the innovative process, which would be managed at all stages of its organization, and integrated intelligent information management system of smart innovative enterprises. They predict the statuses of smart innovative enterprises in order to further make optimal decisions. The most sustainable models may be based on mathematical methods of the theory of Markovian stochastic processes, using system of the Chapman-Kolmogorov differential equations. Thank you for your attention and listening.